Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring KLWP Pro and the Edge UI pack are installed and updated. Open KLWP and grant storage and wallpaper permissions so assets load correctly. Once done, choose an Edge UI preset or create a new file. Preset Speed Setup. You'll immediately see layers and modules. Tap the main preset to inspect groups. Make sure you have wallpaper export enabled and your launcher supports custom wallpapers. Otherwise, you won't see live changes. Now you'll customize the layout. Select the Edge Panels group and adjust X/Y, scale, and overlap so edges align with screen curves. You should edit modules like clock, media, and quick toggles. Link values to global so one change updates all. Once configured, fine-tune touch actions, tap, swipe, long press, and assign intents or KLWP formulas. Make sure animations use 60% 80% duration for smoothness. Test playback in the preview and iterate until transitions feel natural. Finally, export and apply your wallpaper through KLWP Save icon and set it as the active live wallpaper. You should test on home and lock screens and rotate the device to confirm responsive anchors. If widgets fail, reassign overlaps or enable use component layer for launchers that require it. One key troubleshooting tip. If presets show missing images or broken globals, clear KLWP cache, reinstall the Edge pack, then reload the file. That usually restores asset links and fixes errant formulas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.